I'm Natalia Rose, and today we're going to share with you the top juice fasting tips. Tip number 1 is to transition away from the packaged processed foods and animal products. Tip number 2 is to prepare yourself mentally and emotionally. Tip number 3 is to start increasing your juice intake slowly before you start your fast. Tip number 4 is to start introducing the idea of mini fasts to your lifestyle. So before you undertake a longer fast, try just fasting till lunch or fasting until dinner. Tip number 5 is to think ahead about how you're going to procure your juice. Are you going to make it yourself? Are you going to get it from a juice bar? Are you going to have it sent to you? Tip number 6 is to ensure that you have your colonic scheduled, because you're definitely going to need the assistance getting the waste out, the awaken, through your juice fast. Tip number 7, plan lots of fun activities so that your focus isn't solely on food that you may be missing. And lastly, make sure to create plenty of space and time on your fasting days for rest, and also to process mentally and emotionally what may be coming up while you're fasting.